Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel where we make the code more fun and a little bit ridiculous. If we are bit honest, as the holy grail of user interfaces. But instead of making it all serious, we are gonna spice things up with some humor and a dash of creativity. So buckle up as we turn a simple search bar into an epic navigation experience, or at least try to make it epic. Let's make sure this search menu isn't just useful, but a bit ridiculous too. Ready? And now let's dive in. So guys, let's create our project by the name of animated site nav. So let's start and let's create our animated site nav. So let's start and let's create it, and now let's start. First of all, we click on your Visual Studio Code and let me create our window. Now we are creating this project only in HTML, so we are only making one file of the HTML, index.html. Now when I make this file, I am making my file on my documents. Any way you make it, it is your own choice. Now let's write a doc type declaration HTML and then head. Now when we do this, so now we define a meta and the meta name viewport, and then we write content. Okay, width equals to divide. This is the starting code of our HTML. Okay, initial / scale equals to 1. Enter. Now in it we define first of all the CSS code. So first of all we give the font. Now I am giving the font to be Poppins, sans serif. Any font you will give it. Now dot side nav. Now the dot side nav I am giving him to the height 100%. Width I am giving to the 0. Position I think you give the fix. Z index will be 1. Tops will be 0. Lefts will be also be 0. I think you will give it. And background color hashtag 111 and overflow X will be hidden. Then transition add it to the 0.5 seconds and padding top should be 60 pixels. Perfect. Then dot side nav A, we define it. Now in it we write padding 8 pixels, 8 pixels, 8 pixels, 32 pixels. Now text decoration should be none. Now font, give the font size should be 25 pixels. Now add a color, means text color. Now display, give the block and add a transition should be 0.3 seconds. Now add a hover on it. Hover give to the text color hashtag F1 F1 F1. Hover on it. Now you want to add dot side nav dot close btn. In it you give the position absolute I think and top 0. Right 25 pixels. Font size add to the font size mean text size 36 pixels and margin left should be 50 pixels. Now add a media query in it like media screen and max width, max height 450 pixels and then dot side nav padding top 15 pixels and then dot side nav A, add font size 18 pixels to it. Perfect. Now let's start to write our HTML code. To do this you only want to write a body element. In it we write our all the HTML code like div ID should be my side nav, class should be side nav, a href javascript void 0, class should be close btn. Now when you do this all the thing you only want to do it enter press, then not enter press, right on click close nav, then write here parentheses and then in it you write end times and like this. Now we write a href hashtag about and then we write hashtag services, then here we write hashtag clients, then hashtag contact. Now we define now here we build our animated site nav. Example. Paragraph we define click on the element below to open the site navigation menu. Dot. And then when you do this, you write here span, add a style to it, font size will be 30 pixels, cursor pointer. And now you only want to do it right here on click, open nav. Now we write here and. Now here we write and then hashtag 97766 and then you only want to write here open. In the span you write here open. Now when you do all the thing, now we define our JavaScript code. Script function should be open nav, and then you write here document should be dot get element by id. In it we write my site nav. Then we define here dot style dot width equals to 250 pixels, and then here we define function. One more time we define function, and in it we write close nav, and then when we write close nav we write here curly brackets now. Then document dot get element by id, then here we write parentheses, then double commas. In it we write my site nav, and the ends will be in smaller, and then you write here dot style dot width equals to 0, and then semicolon. Then when you write that all the code, so now we save it, then we come on it here, then we click onto the index, and now we open our file. Now when we open it our file, so here we built it our animated site nav. So when we click onto the open, so this type of one nav bar has been opened. Here you can see it. Our animated site nav has been built. When we click onto the open, so here you can see our site nav is opening it. Okay, and there is coming like about services, clients, contact. Here you can see it, and when we click onto the cross button, so it will be closing. Here you can see it. So like that we create our animated site nav using only HTML. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to all the notification bell also for this type of videos. So now, now I give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come on to the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. And we are very near to 11,000 subscribers. So please complete it. So now let's give the outro of this video. And that's wrap for today videos. I hope you had fun and learned a thing or two about creating a search menu that's both functional and a little bit funny. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any hilarious or unique ideas for a search bar. Until next time, keep coding and keep it quirky.